Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going out to meet two of my friends and today is 40 degrees here in Kolkata. So this is the makeup look I ended up with. So this is a very easy everyday summer makeup look that you can achieve even if you're going to office or college. So if you are interested in seeing how to achieve this look, then please keep on watching. First, let's start with prepping my skin. I'm using the Derma Co Snail Peptide 96 Hydrating Serum. I love it so much. Do you guys see that how much I have used it up? All Derma Co products are fragrance free and this contains 96 snail mucin, which is the comprises of 96% skin friendly snail secretion filtrate that moisturizes and protects the skin while preventing dryness. It also makes your skin healthy and hydrated. Then it has peptide complex that promotes collagen production, helps in reducing pigmentation and also helps in improving skin texture, and 2% niacinamide that helps in controlling oil and fading out dark spots and scars. It's very lightweight and non-greasy. It deeply hydrates the skin, helps reduce pigmentation and dark spots, makes skin soft, supple, smooth and healthy. Every time you buy from them, Derma Co will link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi. They have empowered 15,000 students this year with their Young Scientist initiative. This is available on Nykaa, Flipkart, Amazon Purple and you can use my code to get extra 20% off on their website. Next, I'm gonna use this simple hydrating light moisturizer. It's quite lightweight, non-greasy and it hydrates your skin for a really long time. For sunscreen, I'm using this Ecologica Radiance Plus Dewy Sunscreen. It has watermelon and niacinamide. It contains SPF of 50 and PA+++. This protects your skin from UV rays, blue light. It's quite hydrating and lightweight on the skin and it makes your skin bright and radiant. Hope you guys can clearly see the beautiful glow on my skin. Now for primer, I'm using this EBA Photo Perfect HD Face Primer. It's a matte primer but doesn't look drying on the skin and it's perfect if you have oily skin. For my base, I'm just gonna use a concealer because it's quite hot and humid outside, and today I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. It's a full coverage waterproof concealer that's not gonna smudge or budge. As you guys can see, I'm just dotting it only on those areas where I need it the most. You definitely don't want to end up with a heavy cakey base, so I'm using as little as possible because the more product you use, the more sweaty it will make you look. To add some color to my cheeks, I'm using this NARS Orgasm Liquid Blush. Now if I use this, I don't have to use a highlighter separately because it itself is quite dewy and glowy and I love how stunning it looks on the skin. Then I'm using this compact powder to set the cream products into place, and as this is a powder foundation, it has a beautiful coverage, it's waterproof, it doesn't move, doesn't smudge, doesn't budge and it's perfect for summer. Now I'm using a setting spray to lock everything in. To fill in the gaps of my brows, I'm using this Wet n Wild retractable eyebrow pencil. I love this color, how beautiful it looks on my brows, and also I'm gonna set my brow hairs into place with the help of a brow gel. This just makes sure that your brow hair stays intact. I'm gonna go with a very simple eye makeup look today, and this is my everyday eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna use a transition color all over my crease just to give some definition to my eyes. Then I'm going to take this beautiful shimmery silvery shade and applying it all over my eyelid evenly. With the help of the same crease brush, just blending out the edges so that everything looks nice and seamless. Then to finish off the eyes, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply 2 coats of mascara. Used the same silvery shade to highlight the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bones. Coming to the lips, I have used 3 lip products today. First, I have lined my lips with this Nykaa lip liner. Then I've used this beautiful lip tint on the center of my lips to add a pop of color. And lastly, used this Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Nude Nuance on top. And yup, that's it. That's a quick, easy, everyday summer makeup look. I am in love with the way my makeup has turned out. I hope you guys like it and find this video helpful. If you do, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.